Alright guys, so pretty much we got this line right here. It's supposed to be a steel line, although it's been replaced with an air compressor hose for some reason, so we're going to replace that. Behind the oil filter is where the gasket is that's blown. You can see there's a clean spot right there on the frame there, on the subframe. That's where it's been leaking from. And then there's a whole big mess right there on this rubber line. So pretty much we just got to fix all that and then she should be good to go. Alright, so once you got your oil drained, mine's almost drained. Once you got that drained, basically you want to take a socket, loosen this bolt right here, and this will basically loosen off the oil cooler. And then it should just pop right down. Set that there. And then you pretty much just pull the cooler back and there's your gasket. So this is pretty much all that you have to replace. Alright, so now I've put the new gasket in. Got the old one out here. The size comparison, the old one was way smaller. So obviously it's shrunk down over time. It's not making the seal that it needs to make. This one here, you have to kind of pinch the seal to get it to sit in there. Kind of pressure it in and then it fits. So I can pretty much confirm that seal was fucked. So the other lines look pretty good for the most part, so pretty much just leave everything as it is for now and we'll go from there. So once you got her all back together, your filter's on, go ahead and fill her back up with oil.